guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So you have to open up your WhatsApp app, and once you're here, you go straight to three dots and you're going to see where it says settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to scroll down to privacy, click and scroll down again to you see blocked contact. You can see blocked accounts right here. Click on that, and once you click down, you're going to see unblock. So you can see that even if you blocked someone from seeing your WhatsApp, you cannot actually delete the contact because WhatsApp does not support that. So all you need to do is, if you can remember the person's name, you can just simply go search for the person's name and delete them from your WhatsApp. That's very simple. Or you can just do this. For example, let's say this person I want to delete. I'll just go here to edit, and you're going to see this right here. Click on it and you click on delete contact. So once you delete the person's contact, you won't see the person on your blocked list anymore. And that's simply how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.